Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to on mono audio setting in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to on mono audio setting in Vivo phone, so guys you can on. In this video I will show you how to on it. So let's start the video. First of all, open your phone setting, and friend don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Go and subscribe my channel. Then guys click on shortcut and accessibility. Click on accessibility and guys scroll it. Then guys you can see mono audio is off, so you want to off, so you can, or you want to on, so you can off on from here. So I think friends we have understood how to on mono audio setting in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. If on guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.